Hey guys, this is Priyanshu and you're watching Unboxing Theatre. So in this video we'll be unboxing the MDR zx110a, which is a budget stereo headphone from Sony, which is one of the India's trustable companies. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Also, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe it to get more latest unboxing videos. I have bought this product from Amazon.in. You will get the best buy link in the description below. So let us grab our knife and open the box and have a first look over the headphones. These headphones comes with two variants. The white one, which is priced at 599 Indian rupees, and the black one, which is priced at 99 Indian rupees. So let us open the box and have a look over the headphones. So after opening the box, we get our headphone, which is packed carefully, and the user manual. Let us keep the box aside and have a look over the headphones. Moving on to its build quality, the frame of the headphone is made of good quality plastic, but you should handle it with care as it is a plastic product. These headphones comes with soft comfortable earbuds which allows you to listen music over a long time. It also features 1.2 meter long tangle-free cable, gold-plated L-shaped stereo mini plug which offers good quality surrounding sounds. Now saying about the specifications of the headphones, these white headphones features 30mm driver unit that offers crystal clear audio. It has 90 dB by MW sensitivity, 24 ohms impedance and 12 to 22,000 Hz frequency response. Now the sound quality on these headphones are very decent, with decent bass and treble which are balanced, offering good music quality. Overall, the Sony MDR zx110a is the best budget stereo headphones at this price range. But if you are a bass lover, then the headphones are not for you. You can go with the headphones that are offered by both Sennheiser, Skullcandy and Audio-Technica, which costs around 1200 to 1500 Indian rupees. So that's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up, comment down below about your queries, and as always, thanks for watching. I will be back in the next one.